Alright guys, HT-804 here. Welcome to another video. And today, this is going to be a revisit of this 2007 Honeywell 7-inch high velocity personal table fan. It is from September of 2007. A bit dirty in that. Wall mount. Here's the back of here's the front. See, it tilts all the way back. Just keep it right here to make a video. It's kind of loose. The tilt's kind of loose, but I'll tighten it eventually. Speeds. Oh shit. This fan is just not the greatest. This fan really needs to be fixed. It's really annoying. It doesn't even want to tighten. Hold on, guys. Hold on, we're back. I am back after a freak show of this tightening the little screws on the fan, but it seems to be a little bit better now. I don't know why it's so loose, but there's just age. And those little caps are chewed up, but whatever. Start off on low. Oh, here's the model number first. Focus, damn it. Focus. Well, it's model HT-804. This stupid quality on this fan is just not the greatest. Anyway, here's low. Medium. And high. It is pretty powerful. It's actually very powerful. If I show you the full motor in there. Love the camera on it. It's actually has a good quality camera on it. And it has a turn on the light whenever you're filming, which is awesome. And low. And off. And that's it.